Just got this kit. I'm so excited for this. It's the Ultimate Essentials. You get Olaplex number 0, the number 3, 4, and 5. Those are the shampoo and conditioner. And then you're also gonna get number 8, which is the Intensive Bond Moisturizing Mask. These smaller sizes, but a really good way to use it for like a month or 2 and see how does it work with your hair. Are you seeing a noticeable difference? And I can tell you what, you're going to see a huge difference. Ever since I started using Olaplex, my hair is way better than it's ever been. So I'm so excited for this kit. Number 0, this is what you're gonna use first. So you start with 0, you actually put this on dry hair, put it all over, and then you're gonna lightly saturate. Then you're gonna add number 3. So now that you've lightly saturated, you're gonna add number 3. And then you're gonna let it sit for about 10 minutes. That's where it's gonna really get that intensive moisturizing going into your hair. So for 10 minutes, you're gonna sit with both of those on your hair. You can comb it through to kind of make sure everything got on. And then once you've had that for 10 minutes, we get out number 4 and number 5. So let's start with number 4. This is the shampoo. This is the conditioner. After you've done 0, you put on 3. You shampooed, you conditioned. Your last stage is number 8. So your hair's already wet at this point. You're gonna put this on from about like here down, and you leave it on for 10 minutes and then you rinse it out. So this is your intense moisture mask. This is the last step in the Essentials kit. And what you're gonna find is that your hair's gonna look better than ever. So if you want to get into Olaplex, or maybe you've been using the products for years, this is an amazing kit. You get a little bit of everything. I like the size. It's perfect if you travel as well. It's kind of like travel size. And you're just going to see, I know you're going to see great results with it. So definitely check this out.